In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss how to add an employee that already exists in your SubitUp account to another position. To navigate this page, we'll go to the left-hand side of your screen and go to the Staff page. And then in order to add in an employee, we're going to hit the green plus button over on the right-hand side of the screen. This will bring up 3 different options of how to add in a new employee. If it's a brand new employee, an employee that has not been added to SubitUp before, you can click the New Employee button here. You can also import multiple employees all at once to a given position. You can do this through a CSV or an Excel sheet. If you'd like to do that, click on that option there. And for either of these two, if you'd rather add an employee this way, there are support articles on the site that will walk through how to do those. But for this example, we're going to click on Existing Employee to take an employee that's already exists in our account in another position and add them to another position. On this page, you'll see on the right is the current staff in the position that's selected. So if you want to add somebody to a different position, you can choose that here. And then on the left is everybody else, all other employees that are in positions that you are a manager of that are not currently a part of this position that's selected on the right. Now, if you want to filter this even more, you can choose specific positions and just see those. But if you want to see all, you'll be able to choose that as well. What you'll do from this point is you'll just highlight the individual employees that you want to move over. So you can highlight as many here as you want. If you want to move over everybody, you can even select all here and it will select everybody all at once. You don't have to go through and click each individually. If you want to select none to kind of clear that, you can select none as well. But for this example, we're going to go ahead and just select a few different employees. Okay. And from here, what we can do is where it says add staff, you can add them to this position in 2 different ways. First is scheduled, which basically adds them as a regular staff member. They can be scheduled, they can add drop swap shifts, they can do everything in that position that normal employees can do. Or you can add them as view only, which means they can see the schedule, but they can't actually be put on the schedule, pick up shifts, anything like that. So for these couple folks, we're going to hit scheduled. Now it's going to highlight them over here so you can make sure that this is exactly what you want to do. It's not quite saved yet at this point. But once you're like, this is good to go, this is exactly what I want to do, we'll hit the save button. And this moved them right on over. They are now not only a part of the other positions they were originally a part of, but they're now also in this position on the right, which for us is the front desk position. Other things you can do on this page is if you want to archive someone right from this screen, you can hit the little trash can next to their name. And when that happens, you can either archive them just from this position or all the positions that they are in. It's the same archiving function that exists on the full staff page. If you don't see an employee over here on the left-hand side, somebody that is that you would like to add in, and they are not currently a part of the system, you can always just create a new employee up here in the top right, and that will allow you to add in a new employee manually. That is how to add an existing employee to a position. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. You can email us, support@subitup.com, or you can give us a call at 617-401-8733. Our office hours are Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks so much.